Welcome back to Wado Pair. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews, comparisons, and riding tips. Today we're diving into something truly exciting for adventure bike enthusiasts, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT, a legendary bike that continues to define the mid-range adventure bike segment, combining comfort, power, and versatility for long-distance touring and off-road adventures alike. Let's get started. Now, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 has been around for quite a while. First introduced in 2004, it quickly became one of the most popular choices for riders looking for a versatile bike that can handle both paved highways and rough off-road trails. But here we are, 20 years later, and the V-Strom 650 XT is still going strong with its 2025 model. What makes the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT stand out from its predecessors and competitors in the market? Well, stick with me as we break down all the details you need to know about this fantastic adventure bike. Let's start with the heart of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2025 V-Strom 650 XT retains its famous 645cc 90-degree V-twin engine, and it's still a gem. This engine provides that smooth and linear power delivery that's perfect for both highway cruising and tackling off-road trails. Suzuki has kept the 2025 version as a tried and tested performer. With 70 to 1 horsepower and 40 to 7 lb-50 of torque, the V-Strom 650 XT is more than capable of handling anything you throw at it. Whether you're cruising along highways or blasting down dirt trails, this engine provides excellent low-end torque, and the bike's overall weight distribution makes it a joy to ride at any speed. Now, while the 650 is certainly not a high-performance beast it's not meant to be, instead it's engineered for smooth and reliable power, offering great mid-range performance for most adventure riders. And with the bike's fuel injection system, you can expect superb throttle response, while the overall refinement of the engine ensures minimal vibrations, a key factor on long-distance rides. When it comes to adventure bikes, comfort is absolutely critical. You need something that can handle hours on the road and a variety of terrain changes. The V-Strom 650 XT shines here thanks to its advanced suspension system. Suzuki has equipped the 2025 V-Strom 650 XT with a 43-inch KYB telescopic fork in the front and a link-type rear shock. This gives the bike excellent suspension travel, 6.3-inch up front and 6.1-inch in the rear. This means whether you're rolling through rough, rocky terrain or enjoying a smooth highway stretch, the bike's suspension adapts to the conditions, providing comfort and control. For a bike in this class, the suspension is pretty plush, helping to smooth out bumps without sacrificing handling. You get full adjustability in both front and rear shocks, which is a nice touch for riders who want to fine-tune their ride based on their load or riding style. But even more important than suspension is the seat comfort. The V-Strom 650 XT has a comfortable two-piece seat designed to give you that long-distance comfort we all crave. It's wide enough to provide support on extended rides, but low enough to give a solid, confident connection with the bike for control when you're off-road. When it comes to handling, the V-Strom 650 XT is a true pleasure to ride. The geometry of the frame, coupled with the lightweight chassis, allows the V-Strom to feel nimble and agile, both on the tarmac and in the dirt. Weighing in at 470 to 450 pounds fully fueled, it's not exactly the lightest bike in the category, but it's still manageable. It's an ideal middle ground between the larger, heavier V-Strom 1000 and lighter bikes like the Kawasaki Versys 650. On the road, the 2025 V-Strom 650 XT feels stable at high speeds, and its 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide great grip and stability on both paved and off-road surfaces. The bike's 32.9-inch seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, especially when you factor in the slightly narrow seat and slim profile. Off-road, the V-Strom 650 XT shines with its long travel suspension and rugged 19-inch front wheel. While not a hardcore off-roading machine, it's more than capable of handling dirt roads, light trails, and gravel paths with ease. Its upright seating position also ensures that you can ride in comfort on longer off-road stretches. Stopping power is another area where the V-Strom 650 XT excels. The 2025 model is equipped with a dual 310mm disc brake setup in the front, paired with a single 260mm disc in the rear. This offers excellent stopping power, and the bike's advanced ABS system, standard on the XT model, ensures stability when you're braking hard, especially in tricky off-road conditions. The braking performance is solid, offering smooth and controlled deceleration. Whether you're on a gravel trail or slamming the brakes on a steep descent, the V-Strom 650 XT's braking system will keep you in control. Let's move on to the tech and features of the 2025 V-Strom 650 XT. Suzuki has made sure that the bike is not just reliable but also equipped with modern features to enhance your riding experience. One of the most exciting updates is the inclusion of Suzuki's new ride-by-wire throttle system, which offers a much smoother and more predictable throttle response. This is a great addition, particularly for long-distance riders who need consistent throttle control over varying terrain. The V-Strom 650 XT also features a digital LCD instrument panel, which provides all the key information you need, including speed, fuel level, trip meters, gear position, and more. It's clear, easy to read, and works well even in bright sunlight, ensuring you can keep an eye on everything while keeping your focus on the road or trail. And for adventure riders who might be venturing into areas with limited visibility or rough weather conditions, the LED headlights are a major plus. These not only provide better illumination but also help improve overall visibility for other road users, enhancing safety. The V-Strom 650 XT excels in the fuel efficiency department. With its 5.3-gallon tank, this bike offers great range and a crucial factor when you're exploring off the beaten path or taking on long-distance tours. On average, the V-Strom 650 XT can return around 50 to 55 mpg, depending on riding style and conditions. This means you can easily achieve 2,503,000 miles per tank, which is great for long trips where fuel stops are few and far between. Now, let's talk about value. As of 2025, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT is priced around $9,000 USD. This puts it in a competitive range compared to other bikes in the same category, such as the Kawasaki Versys 650 and the Yamaha Tenere 700. Considering the V-Strom's capabilities, durability, and advanced features, it offers great value for money. It's not the cheapest bike on the market, but it's certainly one of the most well-rounded, capable, and reliable options you can find in the adventure touring space. So, who is this bike for? The V-Strom 650 XT is perfect for riders who want a versatile, comfortable, and affordable adventure bike. If you're someone who enjoys weekend tours, light off-roading, and the occasional gravel path, this bike has you covered. It's also a fantastic choice for newer riders who are looking for their first adventure bike. Its approachable power delivery, combined with stable handling and a forgiving suspension, makes it ideal for riders who want to ease into the adventure touring world without jumping straight into the larger, more intimidating machines. However, if you're a seasoned off-road rider who wants to tackle more extreme trails, the V-Strom 650 XT might feel a bit limited in some situations. But for most, it strikes the perfect balance of street and off-road capability. To wrap it up, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT continues to build on the strong legacy of this iconic adventure bike. Whether you're looking to conquer the open highway or explore unpaved roads, this bike offers an unbeatable blend of performance, comfort, and value. With its refined engine, excellent suspension, modern tech, and rock-solid build quality, The V-Strom 650 XT remains a top contender in the mid-size adventure segment, so if you're in the market for an all-rounder that can do it all, the V-Strom 650 XT should definitely be on your radar. Alright, that's all for today's review of the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. I hope you found this in-depth review helpful. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts, and of course hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride often.